Now let's use a duct tape to fix our drawing, to straighten our paper, to make it even. The paper shouldn't move. And now we take the watercolor pencils and apply some secret techniques to make our cat look amazing. We add final details. I'd recommend turning the pencil, turn in your hand, to make these lines live, to bring our cat to life. Don't be afraid to draw the jawline. Let your pencil dance on the paper. A bit more tone. See, it's a great chin. You can control the pencil. To control the pencil is much easier than to draw with the brush. You see? A cartoon-like cat. We add details to his cheeks and a lot of hair. Don't be too enthusiastic. Don't overload the drawing with too many details. There shouldn't be too much hair, as I said earlier. It's a watercolor, it's not a photographic reproduction. We just emphasize the dark spots. Yeah, a cat. It's like from a cartoon. Hairy leg, more detailed paw. More black hair. And some details to the tail. It looks amazing, to my opinion. And finally, let's draw a fence using a pencil and using a dry brush. You can use a lot of water right here. Brown color. Add dark blue as well. Violet. We create the texture of the wood. And then you can just take a brush and turn it over and scratch the fence. Wood can be multicolored. And one part of the wood can be more dark, more blue, more black. So I guess that's it.